G'day, Scruff here. Thanks for dropping by. I hope you brought a couple of mates with you this time. Now straight up, you're probably wondering why I haven't got the hat on. My old mum always used to say, get your hat off in the kitchen. But I reckon after this video, it's a little bit scary. You'll be screaming at me through the comments to put the hat back on. Anyway, we'll push on. Today's little video is simply about how I like to make my Vegemite toast and my Vegemite Sanga, which is Aussie for sandwich, of course. So we'll get straight into it, eh? Straight up, we'll get the toast going. That'll take a couple of minutes. Now with the toaster, the dials on the end here usually mean minutes. I like about 6 minutes, but for today we'll just pop her in for about 4 and we'll move on, eh? Now, the ingredients, of course, all you need is bread. I like the multigrain. You need butter, preferably a little bit soft, but not too soft. And of course the mighty Vegemite. And to make it all work, you need a bit of fire. That's our toaster going there now. Now, the knife selection is crucial as well. Too sharp, too pointy, not real good for spreading butter or Vegemite. Too small, not real good, can't get into the jar, won't get across the toast well enough. Now, if you're out in the bush or the scrub, you probably use your pocket knife. That may be all you'd have. But for today's exercise, it's a little bit sharp and it won't get down into the jar well enough, so we'll leave that alone. And also, traditionally out in the bush, we can show you how to cook bread, make it into toast on an open fire. But as I often say, here today, if I light a campfire in the kitchen, 1, it's going to set the smoke alarms off, and 2, it's going to upset the fireys and real hard to explain to them when they turn up. So we'll push on, eh? What we might do is start with the Vegemite Sanga. Bread knife, nice and flat, not too sharp. We like plenty of butter here. I do anyway. And we'll move across here so you can see it. That might be a good idea. Go from corner to corner. Put ample on it. Same on the other one. Corner to corner. Now, we don't want to mix the bread in with the Vegemite or the crumbs in with the butter, so I like to have a clean knife. Either wipe this one off or select another one. Toast is cooked. Now what we do is let that cool down a little while. Vegemite, we don't want too much, just a skim, tiny little skim, and we do from corner to corner. Shift the jar mate, eh, so we can see. Just nice and level, spread her out there. Haven't quite got enough. What we do is wipe the knife because we're going back into the Vegemite jar. A little bit more there. Spread her on. Nice and even. There you have it. The Aussie way, or the Aussie Scruff way. Spread her out there like that. Bung it together. Press it down a little bit. This might be where this one will come in handy to cut your Sanga. There you have it, Vegemite sandwich. Alright, the toast is ready to go. We've cooled it down a couple of minutes. Beautiful colour, look at that. Same deal. Get your butter or your marge, nice clean blunt knife, no crumbs in the butter, plenty of butter. Side to side, start at the corners, go through, wipe the knife or get another one, back in the butter, plenty of butter. Beautiful. multigrain bread. Wipe the knife or get another one. The crucial ingredient, Vegemite. You put it on too thick. I've been doing it for 50 odd years. If you put it on too thick, you probably won't like it. Just a skim. A little bit more than that. That's all you need. Start at the edges. Nice, even. Straight across. Make sure you get all of the toast, otherwise you're eating toast and not Vegemite toast. There you have it. Vegemite toast the Aussie way. Vegemite Sanga the Aussie way. Beautiful. Good for brekkie, smoko, or lunch or dinner. Have it any time at all. Best with a hot drink, hot coffee, hot tea. Alright, well that's about all I got for you today. Enjoy, and in the meantime, hook on the old Google machine, get onto my website, Timeless Tales, or Scruff Poetry, or Aussie Scruff, and spread the word, eh? And until we meet again, just keep it real and tell it how it is, eh? Thank you.